to teach you how to make paper squishies, just like these ones. So what you will need is scissors, a glue stick if you're going to cut out decorations and glue them on, pens, pencils, sticky tape, a filling which you can get fluff from an old pillow or tissues, and paper. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your base colour and fold the paper in half. So you can also use things to help you guide with your shape. Next we are going to move on to the features of your design. So my features would be the smiley face, the smile, and also the eyes. So we're going to start with drawing the eyes, and I'm going to use the cap to help me do a little shape for the eye and just trace around it 2 times. Just like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to fill the colouring in as best as I can inside the lines. Just like that, I have 2 circles, and now I'm just going to cut them out. Make sure you get someone to help you cut them out if it is a small feature, so you don't cut yourself. So once you've done, you've got 2 shapes of circles that you've coloured in brown to go on your face. Once you're done, you're going to take your 1 yellow circle or your base and you're going to draw another feature, or you could cut or you could draw all your features. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take our glue stick and glue the features on. Once you're happy with the look of your squishy, we're going to take both circles and line them up as best as you can. So you're going to go all the way nearly to the top, but make sure you leave a gap to put the stuffing in. So now I have gotten quite high and I've left a gap there to put stuffing in. So now we're going to take the stuffing and make sure it is all nice and soft and ready. So now we're going to just have one hand keeping it open and slowly pushing more and more of the stuffing in at a time. Once your squishy has gotten quite full, finish taping it up. And make sure it is all done on the back too. Just like that, your amazing squishy is done.